I want to install an Intermatic model IW700K in-wall timer to operate a patio night light. The current light fixture operates with a photo sensor that I want to eliminate and replace with a mechanical timer. Power to the fixture comes from a junction box located at the patio deck and runs up the wall to the light fixture, and it contains a black and a white wire. I would like to cut into the concuit and install the timer about midway up the wall. My question is with regard to the 3 wires coming from the timer, red, black and white, and the 2 wires, black and white, inside the conduit, and how these wires should be joined in the new timer wall box. Any guidance you can give will be deeply appreciated. Best regards.
Have you talked to an electrician about your Intermatic night light?
No, I have not.
What have you tried so far with your Intermatic night light?
Nothing more than taking it out of the box and getting confused.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not really. The current photo sensor is located up under the patio roof and does not get enough sunlight to switch it off during the day, hence the desire to install the mechanical timer.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be helping you today.
Good morning, Franklin. I hope you can help me through this confusing problem.
I'm glad to be of assistance. What you described seems rather straightforward. It was very nice to have chatted with you today, Dale. I'm glad I was able to help you with that timer installation. Please feel free to call back anytime you have a question.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.